Hello friends, this is Elder and I want to teach you how to use calculator method to solve your binary and base 10 and hexadecimal tomorrow for your test. Now, you are seeing the first question here, convert 576 to base 2. So what you simply have to do, you press mode on your calculator, press mode, then you are seeing 4 there, which is base n, press 4. Now, it's giving you DEC, right? That would mean denary, so that a number in base 10. Simply type 576 that you were giving. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, 576 that you were giving, 576 now, and press equal to. When you press equal to, the number comes down. Then all you simply have to do to convert it to binary was to press this bin here. Can you see this bin? Let me change. Yes, bin right here. That means binary. This next one means hexadecimal. This one means denary, and this one means your base 8, right? So what you simply do, you press binary, bin, and it converts it. Now let's check that out. The answer they got here was 1001, then 000000. That's 0 in 6 places. Let's look at our calculator now. 1001 rather, 00000. So 0 in 6 places. So it checks out. So that is your answer. So in this next question now, you are told to convert this binary number to denary. So you have 1001 and 6 zeros behind it. So to convert that now, you press your mode again. Press your mode. Press 4, which is base n. Now, notice your calculator gives you your original form in denary, which is DEC. So you press BIN, I showed you earlier, to convert it to bin. So now, to convert it to binary now. So now you impute your binary number. So you have 1001. We have 6 zeros. 6 zeros. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So we press equal to now to move the number down in some sort of saving or something like that. You're trying to save the number. Now you simply just press, since they told you to convert it to denary, right? Simply just press DEC, which is your denary, and it gives you your answer immediately in denary. Now notice now that this is the same question we're given before. So 576 comes out there. So we just find a way to convert our number which we got when we converted 576 back to denary. Are you getting me? So that's what you have in that case. So in this next one, you want to convert your number this number here, 10011001 to octa. So now your question now is in binary. So you convert your calculator form to binary. So that's what I already have here. If your question is in octa, you press this, it moves to octa. If your question was in hexa, press this, and if your question was in denary now, you press this. Now what happens now, since your question now is in binary now, you simply press bin, then you impute your value. The value we're giving is 1001,001. There are two ones there, 10011001. That's what you were given. And what you simply do now, since the question is in binary, your calculator is in binary, so you press equal to move your answer downward and save it. Then you simply just press octa, which is OCT. This is octa here, OCT. Press it, and your answer comes out immediately. So that's your answer right there, 231. Check the book now. That's exactly what they got. Now looking at this next form now, you are told to convert 3 base 16 to denary. So this is the form your hexadecimal usually takes. Hexadecimal simply means base 16. So what you simply do now is you can impute that in your calculator. How can we do that? Now this is the previous answer we got, right? If you want to just impute a new number, you can simply press AC. Everything changes back to your normal mode. Now notice now your calculator is still on oct, but the question we are given was in what? Base 16. This question we're given base 16. So we're going to first change it to hexadecimal, which is what? HEX. So we have HEX here. Change to hexadecimal. See, it has changed to hex. Now we impute our question. The question says 3. This is 3. We've written 3. B. If you look closely at this part of the calculator, now you're going to see A, B, and C. So you impute type B. Type B, it goes in there. Type in 3B. Now, what you simply have to do, you press equal to so I can come down. Press equal to. You press equal to. So you see 3B has come down. Now, what you simply do now, they told you to convert it to denary. So you simply press DEC. And it gives you 59. If you check it closely, the answer that they got there was 59 base 10. In this next one, you're told to convert, that's example 1 here, you're told to convert 10110011 to hex, right? That's hexadecimal. So simply switch your calculator from DEC to hex to binary now. Why is it binary? The question was given in binary form. So you click on bin, and now this is your question. This is your question here. 10111011. So you type that in your calculator. You can press AC now to delete that 3B that we used for the previous question. Then you press 101111. And what you're going to do next is press equal to. Once you have pressed that, you press hex. They say you should convert to hex. So you press hex. And it gives you your answer as 5B. The answer here is 5B. So you also have another one, 8BC to denary. So what you simply do there, you can press AC to turn your calculator on. Now, the 8BC now is in the form hexadecimal. So you are seeing base 16 there. So you simply just write 8. Then you have your B. Where's your B? There it is. You write C. You are told to convert this to binary. So you press equal to. So it comes down. Your 8BC has come down. Then you simply press BIN, giving you your answer in binary form. So this gives us exactly what they got. Let's compare. So you have 100010111100 in binary. So that's how you do it, my friends. So let's solve one question on multiplication or addition. Now it's common now for them to give you questions in this form. Now you could be given addition and subtraction or multiplication questions to solve on binary. So simply just put your calculator in bin. It's already in bin, right? So you press on to erase all those. So you just type it in your calculator. 1 1 1 0 1 times 1 1 1. Simply just press equal to, and your answer comes out directly. So you can check it up in your options and click your answer. Now, if this was plus sign here, just simply still put plus. If it was minus, simply put minus instead of times now. And if it was division, you can simply just change these times here to division. It will still give you your answer. Thank you so much, and I wish you success in your test tomorrow.